Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube news channel. Today is 26th February 2021 and the headline of the news is Hima inducted as DSP in Assam. She says that she fulfills mother's long time wish. This was all about the headline, and let us go for the details of the news that you can see in the screen. And the news is like this. Hima won a silver in women's 400 meter in 2018 Asian Games and was also the part of gold winning women's 400 meter relay and mixed 400 meter relay quartets in the event in Jakarta. On Thursday, she ran her first competitive race in more than a year and won a gold in the women's 200 meter with a time of 23.31 seconds in the Indian Grand Prix 2. Hima was on Friday inducted as Deputy SI of Assam Police in the presence of Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal and described the moment as a childhood dream coming true. Hima was handed the appointment letter by Sonowal, also former Union Sports Minister, at a ceremony attended by the top functionaries of the state government as well as from the police department, including the Director General of Police. So, this is indeed a great moment for Assam. So, if you wish to read or to know such kind of news of related to Assam, just log into the channel, just subscribe the channel, and if you think that this news is really a good one, just share with the near ones. Thank you very much. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.